Have you ever looked at your messy yard and wished you could just wave a magic wand and see it finished? This is my backyard. It's a bit of a blank slate, right? Usually, we'd have to guess where things go. But today, I'm using AI to do the dreaming for me. I simply showed this photo to my AI friend and asked for ideas. Watch how fast this happens. No heavy lifting required. I am using Gemini here today. You can do this on your phone or computer. I have another video using same backyard photo with ChatGPT's plan idea to see the difference. You can watch that video how it turned out differently. Here, Gemini's idea and images. First, I said, can you suggest me 5 renovation ideas with this backyard? And Gemini suggested like this: lawn restoration, modernize the fence, create a defined entertainment space, simplify and sculpt the garden beds, upgrade patio, details like power wash the concrete, etc. Can you show me with an image? Add pergola and modern look. Add vegetable garden, metal raised beds. You can change any color, different style furniture, or add things. Just ask. Here, I don't like the metal look, so I asked, metal beds color to dark brown, please. That looks better. This time, start over with grandkid friendly yard image, please. Or you could ask dog friendly backyard if you have a dog. Flower garden look. This time, your suggested best use of this space for backyard retreat haven. Here's the photo based on the current image and my location in 6B. Here is my backyard retreat haven. What you think? Isn't it wonderful to see the possibilities like this? You can do this with your living room, kitchen, bedroom, any space you want to imagine. Go ahead and have some fun. Doesn't cost you anything to do this, and it's easy. Gemini lets you create up to 20 images a day with free plan. If you run out of credit, wait till next day. It resets every 24 hours. Don't be afraid to play with these tools. AI is modern tool we can use to make our life better. If Nana can do it, you can too. Thank you for watching and God bless.
Learning AI can be